Hello everyone, my name is Jessica, daughter of Madhavan. Today I am going to show you all how to solve this circuit by using the superposition theorem. Superposition theorem means uh, each circuit have more than two sources or two sources. When we have two sources, then only we can apply the superposition theorem. In this circuit, we have V1 and V2. V1 is value is 12 volt and another one is 5 volt. R1, R2, R3, R4, the value is already given in table 1, which is R1 and R2 is 4, and then R3 and R4 is 2 k ohm. Step 1, considering the effect of 12 volt power supply. The meaning is now we are going to use 12 volt power supply only. The 5 volt power supply we will remove from the circuit. So here is the circuit I draw again. I remove the 5 volt power supply from the circuit. So now we have one power supply only, 12 volt, and others all same only. Just remove the 5 volt from the circuit. The first question is draw the equivalent circuit. So I already draw the circuit. The second question is we have to find out the voltage drop at the load R3. So now we have to find the voltage on the R3, which is go through here, follow here. So to find the voltage we usually use the normal Ohm's law, but we have to find out the resistance and then the current first. So the current flow on this way because the positive start from here, so we have to follow the direction. So now I plus the R1 and R4, so 4 plus 2 is 6, and then I plus the 4, 2, 2. I plus the R2, R3, R4, so I got 8k, and then so what's the difference between 2 is 2, so it's negative 2. So now we can take this loop as a IA and then IB. So IA equal to 12 volt. This side doesn't have any power supply, so it's go to 0. And then I'm using calculator. You can find the IA and IB. Now we can find the VR3. So we have to find out the VR3. So VR3 means R3 value is 2k, and then IB is second loop. So IB I got the current is 0.54. So now we multiply with R3 and then IB, so I got 1.08. So already I find out the VR3. Now we can solve the current flow at IR3 by using the Ohm's law, and also IB already given, the IB equal to IR3. So the first question is same question, but only the voltage only different one. Before this we have to find the VR3. Now we have to find out the VR1. So the formula is same only. Step 2 is we have to remove the 12 volt power supply and replace with the 5 volt. So I already draw the equivalent circuit. Next I have to find out the voltage drop. I'm using the same formula. This value you can find out from calculator. So I use the same formula before I use. So I got the value for all. Okay, step 3, we have to combine all the circuit with value. So I already insert the 12 volt and 5 volt. And then now we have to, the question is still same only, but only the difference, the way only is the difference. So now I have to find out the VR3. VR3 means here. So the current for this loop F2, which is I3 and I5. So we have to find the difference between these two. So I minus the IB and then ID. Sorry, I just write ID. So minus become plus. So the VR3 is 2.4 volt, and then I'm using the Ohm's law. I find out the current 1.2 ampere. And then you can find also this one already, the value we already find out by IB minus ID means we already get the current root on R3. For more double confirmation, we solve by Ohm's law to whether check the answer is getting same or not. Then this one is a same case, so just put the value and solve, and then I got the volt 9.6 volt. The current I got is 2.4 ampere. That's all from me. Thank you.